Good morning, RESHOEVN Nation. Happy Thursday. For those of you that have been subscribed to our channel for a while, you may recognize me from the older videos. For those of you that are new, my name is Hayden. I'm the social media coordinator here at RESHOEVN8R. If you ever chat with us on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, I'm the one you're talking to. Today, I'm gonna be cleaning these Red Thunder 4s that Craig beat. It looks like he took these in the mud on an ATV or something. I don't know what he did, but I'm gonna be cleaning them up today. As Vic Almighty would say, without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so for this cleaning video, we're gonna go ahead and use our essential kit along with our handy dandy mat and our shoe tree. Now, as you know, for before and after purposes, I'm only gonna be cleaning one of these bad boys. I think I'm gonna do the right one. This one's looking pretty filthy, yeah. So I'm gonna set this left one to the side, clean this right one for now. I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking out the laces. Laces are out. I'm gonna go ahead and set these to the side. We'll take care of those later. Now these are a size 10.5, so I believe our shoe tree is gonna go probably this third hole right here. And what this is gonna allow us to do is put plenty of pressure on the shoe and not have to worry about damaging the material or creasing it at all. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with our soft bristle brush. Now, because these are a black suede material, I wanna make sure I don't have any bleeding or fading. So after I dip it in, I'm just gonna shake out any excess solution. Just go ahead and get started brushing in a circular motion. Now, Director C. Ken back there said something very interesting. What did you say? You said you like these over the fire reds? Is that what you said, C. Ken?
Yeah, I like the colorway.
That's crazy. I don't know, man. These are clean. It's a clean release. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Red Thunders or Fire Reds? Personally, I gotta go with the Fire Reds, man. That's just such a classic shoe. As you can see, I am just finishing up pat drying these. Want to make sure you get in between the wings on them, get them nice and dry. Upper's looking pretty crispy so far, not gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the medium brush for the midsole. And the reason we're not gonna use a stiff brush is because these midsoles are actually painted, and using the stiff brush could maybe cause some chipping. So just to avoid that, we're gonna use our medium brush. Let's go ahead and get started on these midsoles. Lightly brush them. Midsoles are cleaned. Go ahead and wipe them down. Now to get all the suds and stuff inside this little air bubble right here, just take your towel, kind of fold it up and just dry it up like that. Super easy. And then the next step, of course, is gonna be to use the stiff brush on the bottoms. As I'm cleaning these bottoms, I noticed there's a lot of like gunk and gum and rocks in like deep in the crevices of this sole here. So just for the time being, I'm gonna put the stiff brush aside. I'm gonna grab our pick, get some of this deep stuff out, and then we'll move back in with the stiff brush. All right guys, all done with the pick. Gonna go ahead and move back to the stiff brush and get these soles nice and fully clean. As you can see, shoes are fully cleaned, bottoms, midsoles, uppers, all looking crispy. Final step, let these dry, move on to the laces, get these cleaned, and that'll be it. How you do, Johnny? Here you go. Oh, laces are done. What I like to do to dry my laces is run them through the towel, just like so. Get all the excess dirt, solution, water, all that goodness out of there. And then after that, we're pretty much done for now. I'm gonna go ahead and let these dry, and then we will come back when they're all dried, laced up, for the final results. All right, guys, we are back. Shoes are dried. We let these dry for a little bit, all laced up. As you can see, these things came out crispy, super clean. Just look at those before and afters, man. That's wild. Crazy. As you can see, we accomplished these results with our essential kit. Quick recap of everything that happened. I used the soft brush on the uppers, got these joints buttery again. Use the medium brush on the midsole and the stiff brush on the bottoms. These things are all cleaned up. I'm super happy with how these turned out. What do you guys think? How'd they come out? They look good?
Phenomenal.
They're good?
Welcome back.
Yeah, woo, let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. You will see me here soon, so be ready, and I'll see you guys then.